Hello, this is Mark, Mark's Home Hobbies. Uh, this is how I'm going to attempt to do the racetrack for the C64 drift car. These are pieces of plastic, real thin plastic that are taken out of flat screen TVs that were junk. So I scrapped the electronic components and I got the plastic and I trimmed them up so that they're close to the same size, and then I taped them on the back side, which is, I don't want to spill this. This has paint in it. I'll lift it up for you, but it's filled with paint. What I'm going to do is take this acrylic white paint and I put it in this bottle right here, which has this special tip. And I got this bottle off of Amazon. It has a roller in the tip, a stainless steel roller. And you screw that cap right onto that bottle right there, and then you're going to use it like a magic marker. So I've got this piece of plastic tubing that has some steel wire in it. Maybe you can see close up there. Yeah, you can see it. It's just plastic, clear plastic tubing with a piece of pretty firm steel wire in there. And I'm going to use that for tracing, and it's bent out to about, I'd say about maybe a 20-inch circle, which seems to be correct. Here's what the track is probably going to look like, something like that. That's what I'm shooting for. So I'm going to trace out this section over here first and see how it looks. And if it looks good, I'll continue on and do the rest of the track. So stay tuned. A couple, be minutes and minutes for me, hours, but only seconds for you. Just a second and I'll be right back. Wow, would you look at the size of that track? Huh. I bet somebody's going to have some fun on that thing, eh? I modeled it after something I saw on the internet. Great source of knowledge, that internet, I'll tell you. And I think the cars are going to go well on this. I've tried it before. They don't drift as good as the regular track, but this is more for racing, I would say. I mean, drifting too, obviously. But if it doesn't drift real good, some people say you can spray some of that tire shine stuff on there, Armorall or whatever they call it. And then you just spray some of that on there and give it a quick wipe. And that'll make it nice and slippery, and your cars will drift better than you ever did before. So if this is, it's still drying right now. I just got done painting it, but I thought I'd take a video of it here. And I kind of made, some fake looking grass there with some green paint. And yeah, I did use the little bottle. Excuse me. I used the little bottle with the white paint, the acrylic paint that you get, you can buy it off of Amazon or whatever, 2-ounce bottle acrylic. And I think it's Caramel is the name of the company that makes the little bottle with the tip, the ball tip on there. And yeah, you just fill up your bottle. It didn't even take me, but I maybe filled the bottle up halfway, and I had some extra once I got done. So you can find that bottle on Amazon pretty easy. Roller ball tip. Yeah, so it's soaking right now, cleaning. And what I did was I painted the sheets black first, and I did that with an airbrush and a paint roller. And I rolled it different directions, so it covered pretty good. And then I painted the white lines, and I did that by using what I showed in the previous section of the video there, a piece of plastic tubing with some wire in it, bent to an angle, and then I did all these angles just by tracing around that. And I think it turned out pretty doggone good myself. I can't wait till it's all dry and get my car on there and start racing. I wish somebody would come over and race on this track with me. That would be fun, I'll tell you. I'm thinking about doing a pink slips type of thing, getting a couple extra cars and racing people for cars, and that'd be kind of sweet. I don't think anybody's ever did that on YouTube before. Maybe I'll be the first. Anyways, if you like this track, subscribe, click the like button, and help a guy out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 here so I can start making some money off of some of this stuff. Not that I ever will. But anyhow, thanks for watching, and have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.